How's it going, everyone? It's Aaron, back at it with another Jeep Wrangler video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install Quadratec rain guards for a two-door Wrangler. It's like a 5-10 minute process, not too long. No tools needed, just your hands, and yeah, let's just get right into the install. Obviously, the first thing you go on to do is once you're inside the Jeep, just roll down the window, and now we'll get into installing the rain guard. Okay, one thing I just want to mention before we get into the install, it has some double-sided 3M sticky tape on it. You can use it for the install, but it's not really required. I know a lot of people have just installed them without it. I'm not going to, just because I don't want it, in case I ever want to remove them. And it actually doesn't really adhere to anything. It's super vital. That keeps it held in strong. I think I just read online that it really just adheres to like this like fabric-y type material. So it's, I mean, do whatever you guys want, but I'm personally not going to be using it. So just thought I'd get that out of the way real quick. So yeah, let's get right into this. So all you're going to want to do is you're going to want to start to feed it into the door. Be very careful not to bend it. And literally that was it. Literally like a 2 minute, not even 2 minutes. That was literally the installation. Literally it's in there now. You know, it's not gonna be coming out. So I'm gonna go do the other side as well, and I'm gonna wrap up the video. Like I said, not even 5 minutes. And like I said, we're gonna be starting with the front of the rain guard, sliding it into the door channel. Very careful not to snap it or anything. But literally that's it. Literally a simple installation, not even 5 minutes. So I'm going to bring you back inside the Jeep to show you how it looks from the inside. And so I'm sitting in the driver's seat of my Jeep right now, and as you guys can see, they look pretty damn good. And they're going to be pretty easy to remove if you guys no longer want them in your Jeep or if they're causing any problems. The one thing I did notice is that I have tint windows, so it looks really nice. I got 20% in the hard top and 20% up front, aftermarket tint, everything. So one thing I did read online, that this only thing that really stinks about the in-channel ones is that if you guys can hear, it's a little difficult for the window to close. Like, you gotta just kind of make sure that it's not really getting stuck or anything. I mean, it is shutting. You just gotta be kind of careful with it. Like, if you guys can see this line, just be careful. Make sure that it's actually going into the channel, nice and fine and everything. There is a pretty decent gap between it, so I think it's going to be sealing fine. There's going to be no leaking or anything, but just thought I'd let you guys know, because, I mean, it does do that. But, yeah, so, just thought I'd let you guys know before you guys purchase these and everything. If you guys have any questions, I'll leave a link to the product page and where to buy them down below. And also, if you guys have any feedback or anything, comment down below. Leave a like if you enjoyed, subscribe for more Jeep videos, and I'll see you all next time.